Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about marksmanship. Now, uh, several days ago, I talked about freedom seeds and making sure you have enough, including enough to practice with. Well, yes, you need to practice, and you need to practice more than just a couple shots. You need to make sure you are hitting your target all the time. Now, some people say, well, it's getting in the winter and all the gun ranges are closed. For a lot of places in the country, that's true. But even up here in Idaho, we have indoor ranges where we can take our rifles and pistols and go practice and make sure we are doing proper gun control and hitting what we're aiming at. All right. So think about it, look into it, see if there's some place around where you can go practice. Remember, you develop muscle memory at the range, but if you don't go often, you lose that skill. That is a diminishable skill that really you can lose quickly. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps in food, water, and skills. Why skills? Well, this is why.